Uh-oh, hey Vic. Hey Vic, come here. I think we got some trouble with some rabbits over here. Come up here.
Did I see rabbits?
Yeah, here, put your bubbles down over there. I think we got some trouble with some rabbits that got in somewhere. Come over here and take a look. Take a look down here.
Yeah.
What do you think that is?
Fishing poles!
What? Did the Easter Bunny leave you fishing poles down there?
Hey Mom! The Easter Bunny also left us fishing poles! Yay!
Can you get in there? Wow, a pink one and a blue one, and a tackle box. Okay. Whoa, don't just drop them. Nice. Okay, bring them out. Can you bring Audrey's out too? Careful, careful. Okay, give one to Audrey.
Here, Audrey.
Don't poke her with it. Watch out, watch the tip, watch the tip. Don't poke her with it.
This is the only cat. We're back, Mom. Oh, good, my God.